When servicing air conditioning and refrigeration systems, safely recovering refrigerant is one of the most important steps for technicians. Today we're reviewing the Robinair RG3 portable refrigerant recovery machine, a compact HVAC recovery unit designed for liquid and vapor refrigerant recovery. It supports common refrigerants including CFC, HFC, HCFC, and R410A, and features a 115 volts, 60 Hz power system in a lightweight portable design. But does this professional recovery machine deliver the performance technicians need in real-world HVAC work? Let's find out. The Robinair RG3 is designed for HVAC professionals, refrigeration technicians, and service specialists who need a reliable solution for refrigerant recovery. Instead of releasing refrigerants into the atmosphere, recovery machines safely remove and transfer refrigerant for proper handling, recycling, or disposal. Its compact size makes it easier to transport between job sites, while its simple operation helps technicians complete recovery tasks efficiently. For professionals working on residential air conditioners, refrigeration systems, and heat pump applications, the RG3 offers a practical combination of portability and performance. Let's start with recovery performance. The Robinair RG3 is capable of recovering both liquid and vapor refrigerants, giving technicians flexibility across different HVAC applications. It is compatible with widely used refrigerant types including R410A, as well as many CFC, HFC, and HCFC refrigerants. The unit uses a powerful compressor system designed to provide efficient refrigerant transfer while maintaining reliable operation. Its 115 volts electrical compatibility makes it convenient for standard workshop and job site environments where regular power access is available. One of the biggest advantages of the RG3 is portability. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, store, and move between different service locations. The controls are designed for straightforward operation, allowing technicians to focus on the recovery process without unnecessary complexity. Its durable construction is built for professional use, helping withstand the demands of frequent HVAC service work. For technicians who need a dependable recovery machine without carrying a bulky unit, the RG3 offers a convenient solution. In real-world HVAC applications, the Robinair RG3 performs as a reliable recovery tool. The machine provides consistent refrigerant recovery while maintaining a compact footprint that is useful for mobile technicians. Its ability to handle both liquid and vapor recovery makes it versatile for different repair and maintenance situations. The portability factor is especially valuable for service professionals who travel between multiple job sites. While larger recovery machines may offer higher capacity for heavy commercial applications, the RG3 focuses on efficiency, simplicity, and everyday HVAC service needs. So, is the Robinair RG3 portable refrigerant recovery machine worth buying? If you're an HVAC technician looking for a compact, reliable, and easy-to-use refrigerant recovery solution, the RG3 is definitely worth considering. With features like liquid and vapor recovery capability, R410A compatibility, 115 volts operation, portable design, and professional-grade construction, it provides the essential tools needed for efficient refrigerant handling. While it may not replace larger commercial recovery systems for high-volume jobs, its portability and dependable performance make it an excellent choice for residential HVAC service and everyday technician use. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of HVAC tools, professional equipment, automotive tools, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.